Good morning, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to fix a keto dish. Not as much keto as I thought it was, because I got these Johnsonville Italian sausage, and if you look on the back, let's see if you can see it right there. 3 grams of carbs in one of these, and I'm fixing all 5 of them. So, of course, I won't eat all 5 of them today, but this is like, it's Friday, and I'm trying to prep some meals for this weekend, and I'm going to fry these, which I know I could use my Instant Pot to fry them, because I'm going to make this dish in the Instant Pot, and I could use the Instant Pot to fry them, but remember, I can't stand up, so it's hard for me to reach up here and fry something or saute it or whatever, something in here, when my frying pan, I can do it right here. So I'm still going to use my Instant Pot. I love my Instant Pot. It's amazing, and I'm going to cook the cabbage in it, but these, I'm going to do cabbage and these Italian sausage mild in with the cabbage. So I want to show you. I'm going to cut these up, and I think if this is like the other ones, it's, yes, it does. Alright, so did you see how I cut this all the way down? And it has a skin on it. If I can get under there. Well, alright, you just pull the skin off of it, and then I'm going to cut this up. See, the skin just came off just like that, and I'm going to mash these up and just fry them up like I would if it was ground beef or whatever, and I'm going to cook it with the cabbage. And I've done the ground beef and cabbage in a video, and it's amazing. So I bought this, it was on sale, and I bought this, and I want to see how it tastes with cabbage. So let me get all the skin off of these and put them in the frying pan and fry them up, and I'll bring you back when I get ready to put the cabbage in the Instant Pot. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to show you the sausage. I like chopped it up with this spoon or whatever into big pieces, and I'm just frying it in my frying pan. I've got this 1 head of cabbage here that I'm going to cut up and put in my Instant Pot, and I'll bring you back when I get everything ready to go in there. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I've got the sausage browned right here in on my NuWave, and I've got the cabbage in the Instant Pot. I'm going to put, let's see, which one is this? I'm not sure. I've got 1 bouillon. I think this is the beef one. It's really not going to matter. I'm going to put 1 bouillon cube in here. And I'm going to put some pink Himalayan salt in here. And I found I've really not ever used pink Himalayan salt until yesterday, and I found that it was a lot saltier than regular salt, so that's good for me. Alright, now I'm going to put some pepper in here. Just a couple. The other day when I fixed cabbage, I put too much pepper in it. It was really, really spicy. Which I like spicy a little bit. Not all that much. Alright, I'm going to put some crushed red pepper in here. And I'm not measuring, that's not even a, that wasn't even a teaspoon. And I've got, I've got 2 cups of water that's going on top of the cabbage. And then I'm going to go on and put the sausage in here. All in all, put that in here, and I didn't deglaze the pan, which I should have done, but I've got cabbage and spinach that I've got to make. So, and I want to make some boiled eggs in here too. My Instant Pot's going to be going all day today. Alright, so I'll bring you right back. I got to get you down to see what I'm going to do, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to put the lid on. I've got it marked to seal, over on sealing. I'm going to put the lid on, lock it. Then I'm going to come down to manual, and I'm going to take it down. It's on 100 now. I'm going to take it down to 10 minutes and let this cook for 10 minutes. And I can either do a quick release or the manual release, whatever I want to do, so I'm not really worried about it. Alright, so it's on 10 minutes now. It's got to come up to pressure, and then I'll come back to you when I can. And then I got something else I got to fix. Alright, bring it back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I'm really frustrated right now. I've been on the phone with Sprint for an hour and a half, and I'm telling you, I've been with Sprint for 3 years now, 4 years, something like that. This is the last that I will go with Sprint. They are a piece of crap to me. They have changed my bill so many times, and you know, they think it's okay, but it's not. And I'm so sick of it. Anyway, let's get back to this. I'm now in the process of fixing my meat. See, Regina doesn't work on the weekends, so I've got to get stuff ready for me to cook, to have on this keto diet. I'm definitely on keto, so I'm cooking hamburger patties here for me. I thawed out 6 of them, and I'm fixing those for me. I've got the cabbage, and the next thing that I'm going to fix is going to be spinach, so that'll be after this one. But I wanted you to see this. I've already tasted it while I was on the phone with them. They had me on hold, like I said, for an hour, over an hour I was on hold. And this has got to be the best tasting cabbage that I have ever tasted in my life. I have never, if you have not cooked your cabbage in your Instant Pot with this was mild Italian sausage. If you have not done that, you've got to try this. This is amazing. And here's the piece of sausage. I just cut it into chunks, and it is just so good. Oh my gosh. I'll have the recipe below in the description box for you. And if you're on a keto diet, it's really good. I love cabbage, and cabbage is definitely a keto food. So, and I did not know that this sausage had 3 carbs in it for each one. So, if you ate the whole thing of it, at one time, you'd only have 15 carbs, but not counting your cabbage. But anyway, I hope you like this video. Please give this a try, because it really is good. And look below in the description box for links to my Facebook and my Twitter. And there'll also be different things that you can purchase from Amazon, and those links will be below. If you went to Amazon and purchased them yourself, it wouldn't be any difference. The only thing is that when you purchase them from links that I have, it does help my channel purchase food or whatever to do the videos. And so I hope you have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.